Today I'm going to show how to create a child theme for WordPress using a plugin. It's super easy. Just follow my steps. I log in my WordPress and add new plugin. Just type child theme. Lots of plugins here. Yeah, I will use the plugin child theme configurator. This one active installation use reviews not bad. It's from now. I will create a child theme for Hello Elementor theme. So I activated the plugin. Under tools, there is an option for child theme. Select a parent theme. So I have to select a parent theme. That is two theme. I want to create a child theme under Hello Elementor. So I have to select this allies. We can change the new theme directory from here. We can change child theme name, description, author, version, and etc. From here, click to edit the child theme attributes. Color comes from parent theme, which one is selected. This one, Elementor theme by Hello Elementor. All are comes from parent theme. Most of the important part, if we want to keep all menus, widgets, and other customizable settings from the parent theme to the child theme, so we have to must check this option, then create a new child theme. Okay. Yeah, it's created successfully. Hello Elementor child. It's a new child theme under Hello Elementor. So we can activate the theme. Okay, looks good. Here is no any changes. Now, if we want to copy any files from parent theme to child theme, so we have to go files, footer. I want to copy footer and header.php from parent theme to child theme. So I'm checking. There is only styles.css and functions.php. So I will copy footer and header.php from parent theme to child theme. Now, yeah, here is footer.php and header.php. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.